it's Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home, and today I wanted to share with you how I put together this really sweet and beautiful Christmas centerpiece. I love a centerpiece that's really easy to just pick up and move if you are needing to clear the table for the kids to do homework or crafting, or you just have a lot of people and things to get on the table. It's nice to have a centerpiece that's self-contained that you can pick up. And I have very carefully placed the camera because I have started my Christmas decorating, and so I don't want you to see all of it yet. I want to share it with you when it's all completed. So if you watched my getting ready for Christmas in September video, I'll link it up here if you missed it, but I shared that I've been really inspired by these red and white photos that I found in this old Ideals magazine that I picked up at a yard sale over the summer. I was thinking about incorporating some red and white, a lot of textures, and I also gave myself the challenge. I did not want to spend any money. I have so much Christmas stuff, and I wanted to just really flex my creative muscles this Christmas and see what I could come up with using those inspiration photos from the Ideals magazine and some of the ideas I pinned on Pinterest, and then just combining that with that practical desire I have to be able to pick up my centerpiece and move it when we're hosting or crafting or what have you. So with that, let's get into how I made this centerpiece. So I started with this wooden box, and you can start with any piece of wooden decor you have, whether it's a tray, a bowl, a basket, anything that is low and has this sort of textural look to it will work. So next I have this garland that I actually got at the Dollar Tree a few years ago. They still sell these simple garlands. You can go out in your backyard and clip some real greenery if you'd like, or you can use just faux greenery, whatever you have at your disposal. I collected all these trees over the years, and I like that they don't all completely match. Like, they're not all bottle brush trees, they're not all wooden, they're not all ceramic. It's a mix of textures, and I really like that, decorating with different textures. But there's different ways you can do this. You could definitely use all the same type of tree. You could mix in some candles or figurines that you have on hand. Whatever you have in your Christmas stash, you could use. So I arranged these trees in an order that I thought was really neat looking and drew my eye, and I tucked them into the box. Next, I pulled out all these little picks and berries that I have collected over the years. Some of these I've pulled out of old wreaths before redoing them. Some of these are from the Dollar Tree from years past. And I just tucked them in, trying to vary the pine cones and the berries and the leaves in a way that was symmetrical and pleasing to the eye. So the end result is just really simple. I can easily pick this up and move it when we need to. I can add to it if I'd like. I could easily add a runner underneath this, some candlesticks on either side. It's definitely going to be very flexible and can possibly even last on my table throughout the winter and not just be for Christmas alone. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how I put together this little centerpiece. This is a very versatile idea, one that you could mix and match to fit the decor that you have, so you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of new stuff either. So I love making my home beautiful little by little, especially at the holidays. I love using things that I already have. I love using thrifted finds and things like that. If you love that too, I hope you'll hit that red subscribe button and come back for more. I have so many ideas for videos I want to share with you guys. So it is quite merry and bright in my house right now, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. If you have specific decor things you would like to see from me this season, be sure to let me know in the comments, and I'll keep that in mind moving forward. I already have some videos in the works that I'm excited to share with you, but your feedback, as always, is so helpful and important. So be sure to let me know if there's something you're just really excited to see from me this season. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. You take care, and I will be back with more soon. Bye.